The story begins with a tiny egg, no bigger than the head of a pin. The female monarch can carry up to 400 of these precious eggs. She will lay only 1 or 2 on a single milkweed leaf, repeating the process over and over again on different leaves. The eggs hatch after only 4 days. The caterpillar that emerges will first eat its own eggshell and then begin to eat milkweed, the only plant they will eat.
Since 1976, we've lost almost 90% of our monarch populations. There's a lot of specialist species that only feed on one plant, and to create that habitat where that plant is can allow these species to thrive.
And once their eggs hatch and caterpillars come out, that's what they have to feed on. And so it's important that we have places like this, and even in your backyard, you can grow that to help sustain the monarch butterfly.
In a matter of only 2 weeks, they will have grown from 1/4 inch to 2 inches. Soon, an even more remarkable transformation takes place. The caterpillar moves away from the milkweed and finds a sheltered location nearby. There, it sheds its skin and forms a hard protective coating called the chrysalis. Over the next 10 to 12 days, the chrysalis becomes clear and eventually cracks open. At last, the monarch butterfly emerges, head first. The monarch pumps a liquid called meconium through its veins to spread out its small, crumpled wings so they can expand and dry. The veins within the wings then stiffen. Only 1 hour after hatching, the monarch is ready to fly. The adult butterfly no longer chews milkweed leaves. The monarchs now suck the nectar from many different flowers, as well as drink water, through their straw-like tongue called a proboscis.